Hello everybody, welcome to the live session guys. I hope you all are ready with all the materials to make something very beautiful. So I'll start off with my introduction. My name is Disha Thakur. I live in Mumbai. I am an art educator and recently I became a certified fabric professional. And today we are going to make this very beautiful dot mandala on bottle. I hope you everybody know what a mandala is. कि अभी हम देखेंगे हर जगह on Instagram, Facebook, you see mandala everywhere. So I hope you have a basic idea of what mandala is. So this is dot mandala, where we make a mandala kind of design with only dots. Okay, we're going to use acrylic colors which you get in these small cute bottles. Okay, and then we are going to use the 3D outliners. So this is what we are going to make, not exactly the same thing क्योंकि copy क्यों करना है, we can do something little different. Okay, so I'll just keep this aside. Okay, and take my glass bottle. आप कोई भी glass bottles ले सकते हो. If you have a beer can also, that is also fine. Whatever you are taking, it's fine. Even if you are not getting a glass bottle or such, you can do it on any other surface. Wood हो जाए, coaster हो जाए, just do the whole thing. And also, like I tell you in every my live sessions, just enjoy the process. सीखना तो होता ही है, but enjoy the process. That is the main thing. Okay, now starting with the thing. This is a base color. I'm directly going to apply the acrylic colors. So the best thing about acrylic colors is आप इसको directly किधर भी use कर सकते हो. No need to add the gesso or the base like you have to do in the canvas. Okay, you can use a plastic bottle also. No issues. So I am taking a black acrylic color and a sponge. Okay, अगर आपके पास sponge नहीं है, you can use a brush also. Okay, so I have taken black acrylic. Okay, just going to keep it aside. Take the sponge and gently dab. Okay. Yes, acrylic colors are waterproof colors. The only thing is you have to varnish or seal them after your whole article is completed. You can use a Mod Podge, okay, or if you don't have Mod Podge, you can use the wooden varnishes that you get at the local shops. Yes, you can use any bottle. जस्ट ये ध्यान रखिए कि आप जो भी बॉटल यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसका सरफेस थोड़ा फ्लैट रहना चाहिए. ओके, सो इट्स ईजियर फॉर यू टू अप्लाई द डिज़ाइन. I'm also rotating the bottle, so it's easier for me to apply the black color. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cover the front and the side areas. Okay, because this is a 2-hour workshop or so it will take a long time for the bottle to dry if I just color the whole thing. So I'm going to just cover the top area and the side areas. Okay, the side का और top area हम cover करेंगे, so the bottle dries faster. Okay, and we can work on it. Also the trick to make this dry faster is जैसे ही आपका पूरा cover हो जाए color से, you take a little new fresh area of the sponge and dab it again. Okay, not the one जहाँ पे आपने already color dab किया था. Take a little space जहाँ पे आपका कोई color नहीं लगा हुआ है and then dab it. Okay, so the excess is on the fresh side of the sponge and आपका bottle जल्दी से सूख जाए. Don't dab too much also, नहीं तो पता चला कि sponge में पूरा color रह गया, glass bottle पे कुछ लगा ही नहीं. So now as you see my bottle is nicely covered with the paint, so I'll keep this बाजू में and let it dry. So I've taken a paper here to show you the basics of dot mandala. Now what is the thing is you have a center. Okay, you have any object, you get a center. Okay, so this is my center. This is just a basic idea, ठीक है, on paper, so it's easier for you to understand and do it on the bottle. If you're doing it for the first time, it might be difficult. So first just look at this. So I'm taking the center, I'm going to put my first dot at the center, okay, here. After putting it, the first dot here, I'm going to put smaller dots at the top and at the bottom, okay. Then at the two other sides, okay. Then diagonally opposite, and the thing again, okay, like this. Once my dots are done, the other layer of the dot, the outer layer, okay. The thing is, mandala is your dots go on increasing in size from smaller to bigger. The center dot doesn't count, but the first layer, after that the dots go on increasing. So after this, I'm going to put dots in between these, okay, in between the dots which I had put before. The second layer is going to be dots, okay. Now as I have them, I get more fuller spaces, so I'm going to put dots there also in between those spaces. This is just an idea for a better understanding. As soon as you do it on your own, you'll get the idea. It's fine if you mess up, no problem. So this is the basic idea. You put on a dot, okay, put the other dots, okay, then you put dots in the middle of the two dots, okay, the second layer in middle of the two dots, in middle of the two dots, like this. Now we'll start off with the dot mandala painting. Also, you need a cup of water, okay. Keep a cup of water, not for drinking, guys, okay. Don't drink the bottle, don't drink the water. We are going to use it for painting. Take a palette also, if you have, for mixing the colors. If you have ready-made colors directly to use, no need to use the palette. I'm keeping my color bottles upside down so they don't dry quickly, okay. First off, I'm going to take white color. Also, the easy thing is, if you don't have palette, what happens is, if you keep the paint bottle upside down, you get little bit of paint on the cap. So this is your ready to use palette, but don't mix the colors in the cap, okay. You're not supposed to mix the colors in the cap. So if you're using the dotting tool, the thing is, you have to dip the tool till the mid section of the balls, okay, the metal balls. I'll just show you, okay. This much you have to dip, not the entire thing, but almost the half of it should be submerged in the paint, okay. Then you have to make a small dot. With your eyes you can find the center, or you can use a scale if you want. You can just you can see the center. This is the center, and then from here this is the center. If you want, you can use a scale. I'm just using my rough idea. Okay. Now the first dot I am putting at the very center, okay. I'll put my dot and gently lift. So my first dot is there. No need to just keep your ball tool ekdam attached to it. 2 seconds is enough. Even if you are using the other alternate tools, एकदम चिपका के रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 2 seconds of touch is enough. After every dip, clean your tool, okay. I'll be using a toothpick for everybody who doesn't have the balling tools. Yes, I'm showing without tools also. So I'm using a toothpick here, okay. Then I'll use the cap. I'll dip my toothpick nicely. I have my, as you see, this is it. Then I'm going to put small dot. First at the top, it's a very small dot. So I'll take a little more. Yes, you can use different colors. I am making a colorful one. Going to rotate my bottle. Also, whenever you are using the tools, don't keep it at 90 degree. ऐसे एकदम सीधा मत रखो. Keep it a little bit of 60 or 45 degree as such. Tilt it little bit. Okay. Again taking it. Now putting it at the left. At the right. Okay. Hope you can see it. Now going to put them in between those dots. Now you see you have a lot of spaces in between these dots also. So what we are going to do, क्योंकि हमारा dots are already very small, we are going to add little dots in between them. And I'm going to wash my toothpick also. You can use one whole toothpick for the whole bottle. No need to waste the toothpick. Just wash it nicely because it's wood. Okay, it's clean. Wash it nicely. Use the rough cloth. Okay, here it is. Also, before using acrylic colors, if you haven't used them for a while, just shake them very nicely. Now for the next thing, I'm using the dotting tool here. If you are using the dotting tool, I'll show you how to use with the dotting tool as well. So I'm going to use the white one, which has a smaller ball, as you see here. Not too big, not too small. For the smaller balls, you can use the cap because it does submerge the tool. Okay, see, I hope it's visible. Now in between the dots I'm going to put, okay, in between the dots. See, in between of those red dots. Got it? Now you see there's a lot of space in between also. So I'm going to put on some more. Now some dots might just go and stick to each other. It's fine. I'm taking the yellow. You can use chrome yellow. I'm going to use lemon yellow because it's much brighter. I'm just going to use different tools so it's easier for you to understand how every tool works. Okay, I'm using the skewer stick, the pointed part. I'm going to dip it into the yellow and put it. ओके ऑल्सो थिंग इफ ऐसे होता है कि थोड़ा सा गलत हो जाए, कोई डॉट अगर गलत जगह पे ऐसे हो जाए, बट यू कैन यूज़ अ क्यू टिप और एक ईयरबड लाइक दिस एंड जस्ट स्क्रैप ऑफ द डॉट विच हैज़ मेस्ड अप. ओके, स्लाइटली जस्ट पुट योर क्यू टिप एंड इरेज इट. ओके, एंड देन पुट अ फ्रेश डॉट. Now I need a light green. So you get a light green color of Fevicryl like this. Okay, there are numerous shades which you can find. So you can directly use this. If you don't have light green, I just suppose if somebody has a 6 shade ka box, what you can do, you can take a little bit of white. Okay, use your paintbrush. Take white. Also the dots need a good consistency of the color, so it should not be very thin. Okay, your color ka thickness should be not too thin also. If it's too thin, it won't stay, because I think majority of you don't have the tools. So I'm going to use the skewered sticks. You can also use the chopsticks. The chopsticks also have a flat end, so you can use them. I'm going to dip it in my color, taking light green. Okay, taking light green. It's nicely in here. Now I'm going to put one. Okay, also try to rotate, because if you do it like this, if you put a dot here while keeping your hand here, there's a chance कि आपका हाथ उस dot पे लग जाए and it might spread. Okay, so rotate the bottle rather than rotating your hand. Now I'm going to use the light green, from which I made the much lighter green, and going to use the same stick. Now I'm going to put green dots in between of the lighter green. Okay, in between of these, I'll just show like we did the smaller dots. Now the next color is going to be blue. So for that you can either use this turquoise blue shade. This is a beautiful shade. You get the very nice blue color, which is something similar to this one. Okay, this color, you just use a little bit white and you could get the exact same color. This is turquoise blue by Fevicryl Acrylic, and if you don't have it, no tension, you can use the ultramarine or the Persian blue. You can use the pencil, okay, the back of the pencil, which is much bigger than your stick. Okay, the flat circle of the pencil is much bigger than your pencil. This pencil, the color pencil ones, you can use. I'll be using the pencil with you. Okay, dipping the pencil, and again in between the So now our very last layer, which is pink. So I'm going to use this deep brilliant purple. Okay, use little bit of white, little bit of red also. You'll get a different shade of pink. It looks complicated, but it's not. Once you start doing it, it's super easy. I'm again using the pencil, the back of the pencil, the flatter one, and I'm putting dots in between the blue one. You just need a lot of patience and concentration while putting the dots. You see, I have a lot of spaces in between the pink. I'm going to take my ball tool, you can use the other tools, and I'm going to take the pink again and use and put smaller dots in between. I'll show you the smaller dots on how you're going to do. The smaller dots are going to come inside. So yeah. So once these dots are done, if you have the 3D outliner, you can use the 3D outliner. If you don't have it, go on and use the white paint. So I'll show with white paint and the 3D outliners both. Okay, I'm going to take this and then I'm going to put these little small dots in between the light green, so as if it's connecting. Once it's done, do the same thing with the green one. Now I'm going to put dots on both sides of the green dots. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on and add little dots. Okay, if you see, it has little peaks, small peaks. I do have previous live sessions on my page. If you scroll down, you can see different art forms like mandala, Zentangle. Also hit me up if you want one-on-one classes. I do take them also on mandala as such. Okay, I'm going to take the blue, the leftover blue, taking it on pencil. You can use the toothpick, and I'm going to put little dots in between. What you can do is go on and add more smaller dots. Going to do the same thing with green, and the thing I'm going to do with green is I'm going to take light green. Okay, going to take light green and put it on top of dark green. See the effect here? You can do it on canvas also. Dot mandalas look gorgeous on canvas. You can incorporate different designs or characters and then do dot mandala around it. Now I'm taking the light green or the dark green, if you say, in this portion, and add it on top of the light green. Okay, so this is done. Also, if you want, if there's spaces in between those white dots, you can go on and add smaller darker green dots in between. Okay, so this is the more detailed thing. Now we have the last layer, which is our pink one. So for the pink one, I'm going to use yellow. Okay, oops, I'm going to use yellow. Okay, and then I'm going to use ball tool of very smaller size. Okay, dip it entirely. Okay, and then put my yellow on pink. And lastly, you can use the 3D outliner. Okay, just let me see if we are missing something. I guess no. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is your dot mandala on bottle. Revising the whole thing. Okay, once again for everybody. We took the bottle, we dabbed the black acrylic color, okay, with the sponge, let it dry, then we kept on putting our dots, okay, then we added detailings on top of them. You can use white 3D outliner if you are not comfortable with using the paint directly, it's fine, no problem. Okay, So okay, somebody was asking to show the red and white bottle. This is a red and white bottle, very similar to what we have done today. Okay, but the color scheme makes it very different. Okay, it looks very different. Send me or DM me the pictures with the materials. Okay, like with the acrylic colors, just ekdam do the photo shoot nicely. I want nice cute pictures. I want to share it on my other handles also. Okay, you can either share it on my Instagram page, which also goes with the name Disha Thakur Arts. Thank you so much.